Nobody teaches you this about money in your 20s. Not in school, not in college, not even at home. You graduate, get a job, or don't, and suddenly you're expected to figure it all out. Bills, credit, taxes, rent, groceries, insurance, debt, life. And if you mess it up, the world calls you lazy, irresponsible, a failure. But you were never taught. And now you're broke, stressed, and wondering if you'll ever catch up. Let's talk about the money lessons you should have learned, but probably didn't, and what to do about it now. Lesson number 1. Your paycheck isn't really yours. You make $2,000 a month. But after rent, bills, food, and taxes, you're lucky if you see $200 left. Nobody tells you that making money isn't the same as keeping it. So here's what to do. Before you spend, subtract your must-haves. Rent, food, power, transport. Then figure out what's left. That's your real money. Lesson number 2, credit cards are easy to get, but hard to escape. Swipe now, stress later. That's the trap. They offer you a $1,000 limit at 18, but don't explain how interest works, or how a missed payment can wreck your credit score for years. What to do? 1. Use 30% or less of your credit limit. 2. Pay the full balance if you can. 3. Don't open cards just because you got pre-approved. Credit isn't evil, but it's a tool, not a lifestyle. Lesson number 3, saving isn't about the amount. It's about the habit. Most people say, nobody tells you that saving $5 a week when you're broke teaches you more discipline than saving $100 when you're comfortable. Start small. Start now. It's not about dollars, it's about direction. Lesson number 4, nobody cares about your lifestyle as much as you think the iPhone, the $70 jeans, the $18 drink, the perfect Instagram moment. We buy things to feel successful, to feel like we matter, but nobody's paying that much attention except your bank account. Here's the truth. Looking rich keeps you broke. Feeling safe, stable, and free? That's the real flex. Lesson number 5, budgeting isn't restriction. It's permission. You think budgeting means giving up everything fun, but budgeting means telling your money what it's allowed to do, not wondering where it went. A good budget says, 1. Yes to a coffee. 2. Yes to saving. 3. Yes to peace of mind. Budgeting isn't punishment. It's you taking the wheel of your life. Final thought, you're not behind. You're becoming. If you feel like everyone has it figured out but you, they don't. Most people in their 20s are faking it, drowning in debt, quietly panicking. But you're paying attention. You're learning. You're starting to shift. And that's everything. Drop A in the comments if this hit you. Subscribe if you're ready to unlearn the lies and learn what really works. Because nobody taught you this. But now you're about to teach yourself.